which he predicted number 4 in the league. Are you happy with the prediction?
The team did a great job last season, playing the final of the cup, the semi-final of the league, but now it's a different situation. We have a new team with a new players. We only have 4 or 5 players of the last season. It's a new coach. Then we need more time, more practice, more games to know our real situation. I'm very happy with the team. We have very good players, big players, talented players, and they work hard. But we need to see more players because we have a short team. We have problems to practice 5-5, and also we played the first game of the Super Cup without playing friendly games, and now it's very soon to know our real situation.
How's the status on the team? Sigurður told me in an interview after the game it's only like 2 or 3 weeks since you had your first practice. Do you think you have a lot to come?
Sure, we start practice in the half of September. We only practice 10 times. The other teams is practice since August, and it's a team who play together during a lot of time. KFLB is a good team. They play very hard, very nice, and for us the game was very soon. We are in our best level now. We have maybe 20-30% of the level of this team, and I'm sure that 2 months later, after play many games, after practice much more time, we will be a better team, a harder team, and we will play to the same level of the rest of the team of the competitions. I'm very happy. The team work hard. The club give us all the facilities to train, and is trying to see new players, and I'm sure that we will do a great season.
For you personally, in your first game you got 2 technicals. Do you think there's a cultural change here, and are you looking forward to coaching in Iceland?
I think that the first technical foul was totally deserved, and I tried to looking for, but the second is to me is a very big mistake to the referee, because I don't say anything. I stay in this position. I only talk with him very slow and don't move my arms. I think it's not normal that in a friendly games, not a friendly game, but in the first game of the season, the coach of the men's teams go out for 2 technical fouls in the first game. In the second game, the same situation with the coach of a women's team. I think that it's precision for everybody, for the coach, for the teams, for the referees, and it's not normal in the first official game of the season to coach out of the court for 2 technical fouls. It's not easy for me because it's my first game here. I haven't time to know the level of the referees or how run the game with the referees. I haven't time to know the teams, the games. I try to watch games by internet. Then, I think it's a bad day, and nothing happens more.
Is there any chance you will have some addition in your team?
Repeat me, I don't understand.
Do you think you would add? There's a chance you will add another player to the team before the season starts.
Yeah, we need more players. We have 7-8 good players, but it's not easy for us play 5-5 in a harder level in the practice. We need to see at least 1-2 more players. I'm sure that the team, the club is working about it, and maybe we get it in the next days. We haven't hurried. The season is very long, and the most important is finish the season in our best level, not now. We have time to practice, we have time to play, and I'm sure we will see new players during these months.